Today we're going to bring some headphones, all right? And these are wire tether headphones type C. These are awesome for actually Android or iPhone 15, which is a type C. So these are perfect to go take to go. So today we're going to try them on our actual Android and also on our actual iPad too. So we do have a type C, and when you get them, you got a couple options here. You got these earlobes that actually curve up and kind of, stay embedded into your ear. So if you're working out or jogging, they won't fall off. So you could use them as it is, just normally. They have the R and they have a AL right next to it, so you could actually tell what's the difference on them. And they're very simple and very useful to use when you're working out or running or taking a trip. Or just riding a bike, and these are awesome just to hear some music. They have a great stereo sound, and if you guys can notice, they have a little metal piece here, like indentations, and you can hear your surroundings too. So we're going to put them to use on our actual Droid and iPad, which is Type C. So let's test them out. We're going to run a couple of videos on our Droid. All right, so we're going to go ahead and play a video here. Play a video, and it's sounding right now, but all you got to do is plug it in, and it kicks in automatically, and it kicks in very well. So I like this whole setup. It's very simple. So once you take them out, the music goes actually pauses and it stops again and it starts again as soon as you play. Now on the iPad, let's go ahead and play a YouTube video, and then all we got to do is plug it in and to see how fast it is playing. So right now you can hear it. Click on it. You click on it. It takes about maybe a second or so, and it kicks in automatically. And it's very simple. It just picks up automatically. You don't have to make any changes or anything. This is a great replacement. After the iPhone stopped sending your actually earphones, this is perfect. You can just end up getting these. They do have the buttons here, so you can answer calls and the volume control and the next play button. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.